5 fascinating facts about Kawasaki motorcycles you didn't know. 1. Kawasaki originally started as a shipbuilding company before entering the motorcycle industry. 2. Their Ninja series revolutionized sport bike design with aerodynamic fairings and powerful engines. 3. Kawasaki was among the first to implement liquid-cooled engines for superior performance and reliability. 4. The brand's iconic green color became a symbol of speed and racing heritage worldwide. 5. Kawasaki motorcycles have a strong cultural impact, inspiring films, video games, and fan communities. Subscribe for more amazing motorcycle facts and insights.